very glad that the European House Ambrosetti conducted with great success also the 33rd edition of this fantastic workshop on finance. We actually helped the system to raise a little bit more of optimism. I think that we have rebalanced the impressions and listening to investors, entrepreneurs, manufacturers and all participants to our 34th edition, we got a better sign of optimism.
I think at the EU level, climate change adaptation and overall efforts has been accelerated greatly through this mandate. So I think now the time is for implementation and also ensuring that we have a global trend.
The events of the last few weeks have reminded us of the benefits of a strong and harmonized banking regulation and the importance of completing the banking union. We are closely monitoring developments in financial markets and financial institutions. The euro area banking sector is resilient, with strong capital and liquidity positions that are well above the minimum requirements.
We have to prioritize savings. We have to replace dependency on fossil fuels with renewables. And then, of course, we will need reliable partners. That means that outreach to our like-minded partners will also be key for next years to come.